Hi. Do you know kids who don't seem to do what you ask them, or just seem to wander off, or say no all the time? I often find it's because of our language. I'm Larkey. I'm a teacher of children with Autism Spectrum Disorder and ADHD, and very often they are literal thinkers. Our language needs to be clear and concise. Very often adults will say to a child, "Can you do your work?" And they'll say no, because can sounds like a choice. Would you like to do this? No, because would is a choice. Our language can be very confusing. Don't get me wrong, if you want the child to have a choice, that's fine. But so often when you say could, would and can, you don't actually mean the child has a choice whether they do it. Today, I'd love you to think about where you can be clear and concise. It's like when people say start work. That is a really vague instruction. Aren't you better off saying open your book to page 54, do problem 1? I would encourage you to think today, where can you be more specific in your instructions? So often my kids get in trouble because they didn't understand the expectation. This is called mind-blindness, the ability to predict what people mean. So often these kids go off on a tangent because you weren't clear in your instructions. Take a moment today and think, did I give a clear, concise, concrete example? Best of luck.